Guys, so in this video we want to look at calculating the volume of a cone. So when we've looked at shapes before, we've said that the volume is usually equal to the area of the base times by the height. So in this case, if we were to take the area of the base times the height, it would give us a cylinder, right? So the area of the base would be a circle, and then we times it by the height. That would be finding the volume of a cylinder. So when we're finding the volume of a cone, it's the area of the base multiplied by the height, but then we have this one last adjustment where we divide it by 3 to account for the fact that it slopes in and we're missing, say, the complete parts of the cylinder. So that's how we are going to work out the volume of a cone. So we're going to say it's the volume of a cone is equal to our area of our base multiplied by our height, and we're going to divide the whole thing by 3. And we know that the area of our base, we have a circle as our base if we're in a cone, so we can say the area of our base is equal to pi, which is that mathematical constant, multiplied by the radius squared. So area of a circle, just pi r squared. Our base is a circle. So let's have a look at this example that we've got. We've got a cone, we want to work out the volume. Essentially, all we're going to have to do is plug some numbers into a formula. So if we take our area and we plug it in over here, we can see that the volume of this cone is going to be pi times by our radius squared times by our height, all just divided by 3. So not too difficult. If we look over here, we can see we've got this cone, and we can say our height is equal to 10 meters. Our radius is equal to 5 meters. And then that's all we really need to know. Because we have our height, we have our radius. Pi is a constant. So pi is a constant, and it's approximately equal to 3.14. And all we do is we say our volume of our cone is going to be a mathematical constant multiplied by our radius. So we just plug in our radius, 5 meters squared, multiplied by our height of 10 meters, divide it by 3. So if we solve that out, we're going to get our volume is going to be equal to pi times 5 meters squared times this 10 meters divided by 3. The magnitude's going to be 261.799, and then our units are going to be meters squared times by meters, so we'll have meters cubed. So the volume of a cone is just the area of the base times by the height divided by 3 to account for the fact that it's not a cylinder. So it's just the pi r squared times by the height divided by 3. I'll put out some tricky examples on this for you guys to have a go at. Thank you.